questions. Elena, we want to get clarification on the prayer so that it's resolved.
Well, we are very, very happy that today the court granted accelerated hearing of these appeals. You know, this is a matter that had been pending for quite a while, but today the Honorable Court heard us on the prayers that we filed a long time ago for accelerated hearing of this matter, and these cases have been set down for definite hearing. And you'll also notice that there was an adjournment for an opportunity to look into this matter. So we are very grateful that the government has promised to look into it, and we are very hopeful. And that's why the second arm of our prayer, we dropped it to enable the parties look into this matter, because this is a case, and we believe that this opportunity now offers the government a very good chance to bring to a closure this matter that has been left hanging for quite a while.
So what exactly is the second arm that was controlled?
No, the second arm was for the appeal to be heard on our own briefs alone, which means since the other party had not filed their brief of argument, we should now be allowed to argue our appeal based only on our brief. But given the overture for the government to look into this matter, we felt it was the most reasonable thing to afford them the opportunity. And fortunately, the matter has just been adjourned to September 19, 2024 for either definite hearing or for report of settlement. Thank you very much.